Hi, today's video I'll be showing you how to create a LinkedIn banner picture using Canva. So I'm using Canva to show you how to design quickly a LinkedIn banner so you don't have to stress yourself. And you must know that Canva rather, is free. It's a free editing tool that allows you to create different types of graphics. So it's a graphic tool, and you can also use it to edit your video. You can do a lot of things inside of Canva. But right now, I just want to show you how to create a LinkedIn cover. The LinkedIn cover banner size is 1584 by 396 pixels. But if you're creating your banner inside of Canva, you don't have to worry about the size because on Canva it's been done for you already. Let me share my screen to show you. So I'll take you into my LinkedIn, my Canva page. So this is my Canva page. The links in the Canva, this is my Canva page. The Canva interface has improved a lot since I started using Canva. So say we want to do a cover for LinkedIn, we will click on, if you check out all these buttons, you can, two ways to find LinkedIn banner cover. You can type here to say LinkedIn, and then it will generate LinkedIn banner. Yeah, it will give you LinkedIn banner ideas, or I'll take you back to my home. The second way to find your banner is to click on social media. You see different feature buttons here: Instagram, YouTube, sheet, doc, white, presentation, social media, photo, video, etc. Click on social media and you will see Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, Instagram post. You would see a lot. Where are you? So click here to take you to LinkedIn background photo. That's the one you're looking for, LinkedIn background photo. Click on LinkedIn background photo to create a design for yourself. Now, mostly if you have a color, a preferred brand color, it's always ideal to use your brand color to design your banner. If you don't have a color, you can create one and start using it until you figure out your unique color. And on the left hand side, if you look at my Canva page, you can see different banner ideas that are already on the app. You can choose the one that works for you. And so you want to use this and make sure if you're on a free app, so on Canva, you can have the free version and the paid. If you look at the left hand side, some of the design have the crown. So the ones with the crown are pro graphics, so you can't use them for free without paying for them. The ones without the crown are free. So let's assume we want to use the this one. No, let's use a free one. This one. So say this is what I want to do, and I'm a digital marketer, and I just want people to connect with me. This is not a serious banner design, it's just to show you that you can create your banner inside of LinkedIn. So what am I doing? I just put my name, Overilaye. You can use your name as your banner. It depends on where you are and what you're doing. Okay. If you have it all figured out, you have a company, you can put your company name. If you're promoting your company, you can do that. So this is an existing banner, so I'm just going to change the cover here. I mean, change the colors. So this color looks really pretty. Looks really pretty. Say I just want to make it look like my color design. I could change a thing or two here, and yeah, change the color, and why is it hanging? Okay, I'm sorry, this is hanging. I'll give it some time. Yeah, okay. So I'm changing this color. So you see that the color here has changed, and I want the color here to change as well. Oh, it changed some bits, so I'll change more. So I'll change this color. Oh, it's just changing the glasses. Okay, so that's fine. So I've done a bit of bits and bob there. So it won't let me change another thing. So I want to change this color. I could click on it and change the color. That's where you click on and change the color for, yeah. So now I feel like I have my color, my brand color in this design. And if I don't want this photo, I can change the elements. I can go to elements and look for no, I'll go to pictures dot element. So I'll go to photos, click on photos, and click on pictures with open book, and glass, open book and glass. So I feel like I want to look a bit I want to change this, I could. These designs are not looking so fantastic, but yeah. So say I want to use any of this, just take the free ones. We're using free designs, right? So we take the free ones like this. Let's just use this. So let's take this away. We would delete, click on delete, and then I'm gonna drag this up here, and then I can decide to tweak it, to turn it. And let's say I turn it this way. All right, I think I like the way it looks, so I put it this way. And yeah, so please feel free to do what you like with your design. Check out what people are doing in your industry. Check out how they design their photos and make it your own. When you finish creating a design on inside of Canva, you can now go to your top right and click on the share button. Click on share, you click on download, and then I like to convert mine to JPEG. So I click on here and it gives me option. I click on JPEG, and when I do that, I can decide to reduce the no, the size is fine. So if you see the size, you remember the size I told you about, the LinkedIn banner size, 1584 by 396 pixels, and that's what we have on linked on Canva. So you don't have to crack your head about the measurement when you're designing inside of Canva because it's already done for you. And then click on download and it saves into your desktop. I hope you found this video useful. If you want any other tip for LinkedIn and social media, please connect with me. And if you want a LinkedIn profile audit, send me a message, connect with me. I could give you a hand or two with your LinkedIn profile. And my name is Overi. If we haven't met, nice to meet you. Please like my video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm looking at growing my channel. I would love to have you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you in my next video. If you have any comments, feel free. If you have worries about using Canva and you want a more detailed video, please let me know in the comments. I can only know if you tell me. Let me know in the comments and I would walk you through how to use Canva deeply. Okay, thank you for watching. I really do appreciate your time here and please be kind enough to share this video. Like I've sent you so many errands, just share my video. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, please take care.